Welcome to the CCE Tompkins Webpage tutorials. In this video, you will learn how to add a Google Calendar to your page. First of all, you will need a Google account in order to create a Google Calendar. I have logged in using mine. Google Calendars is a very user-friendly tool and should be fairly self-explanatory. You will notice I have played around with Google Calendar a bit and have a lot of stuff on my Google Calendar. You can add events by selecting Create Event in the upper left-hand corner, or by selecting any place on the calendar and filling in the appropriate information. You can add new calendars that are color-coded by selecting the Add button under the My Calendars. This will bring you to a page asking you for information about the new calendar. For more information about working with Google Calendars, please see Google's Help pages, which you can reach by selecting the Help in the upper right-hand corner. Now you are ready to embed your calendar. In order to embed your calendar in a page, you will have to set your calendar to be public. To do this, select the Settings button under My Calendars. Then select the calendar you would like to add to a page. Now we will select Share this calendar. Check this box, Make this calendar public. This may make your calendar appear in public search engines. However, this is very unlikely because there are millions of calendars out there. Make sure you click Save after you do this. Next, we will go back to the Settings page that we were just on. If you scroll down a little bit, you will notice an option to embed your calendar in a web page. Select the Customize the Color, Size, and Other Options link to customize your calendar. You can change the information that is displayed with your calendar by selecting or unselecting these boxes here. You can also give your calendar a separate calendar title. You can change the default view from month to week or the agenda mode here. You will probably have to change the size of your calendar. The maximum width allowable in our pages is 700 pixels. You can change what day the week starts on, the language, the background color, and whether or not your calendar will have a border. You can even add additional calendars to be displayed. Every calendar has its own color, so this would allow you to color code events if you would like. Just remember, every calendar you would like to add must be made public in order for it to be displayed. You will notice as you make changes, the code on the top of the page will update. When you have made all of the changes to the default calendar, copy the code from the text box at the top of the page. Now you will need to open up the page you would like to embed the calendar in. Select the Disable Rich text at the bottom of the body section. This will change the input mode to allow you to add code. Paste your code here. Now click Enable Rich Text to get back to the regular input mode. You can click to the left or the right of the calendar to add text now. When you are finished, click Save at the bottom of the page. In this video, you have learned how to create and embed Google Calendars into the CCE Tompkins web pages. For additional information on how to create and edit our pages, please refer to the other web page tutorials.